So I just wanted to make a quick video about the PlayStation sound effects. This is the PS4 sound effects.
I couldn't find any results.
This is PlayStation 3. PlayStation 2. I used to have a PS2 years ago, but not anymore. Hear this? I'm also showing you the background. Let's try the original. See what this one does. I think this is the original, the PS5 sound effects. Can I have it on PS4 because I like those sounds. So what I wanted to show you for today, Universal Studios Fan 2001 signing off.